If you want to cast YouTube app to TV on your Google Pixel 10 Pro, all you have to do is open the YouTube app. And then once you open it, over here in the top right side of the menu, you should be able to find this icon over here, right next to notifications, this rectangle with the Wi-Fi. And this option allows you to select a device that you wish to use in order to cast the screen on. So you need to find your TV over here on this list of available devices. And if needed, you can also tap on the link with TV code. And here we have the instruction that will let you know how to get the TV code on your TV. And then once you enter the TV code over here, you should be able to link your YouTube app on your phone with your TV. And you don't have to do this in the main menu of the YouTube app. You can even play a video or something, and you should always be able to find this icon in the upper right side of the app. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.